guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, I'm Lindsay and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more videos from me, and hit the little bell button right next to subscribe if you want to get notified every time I post a new video. Please do hit the thumbs up button if you enjoy this video, it helps me out a ton. And if you want to check me out on Instagram, I'll have my handle up here on the screen, or you can just click the link in the description box as well. Today is quite an unexpected video. I had no idea this package was even coming. I just got something in the mail with my name on it and I was like, I didn't order anything. And I have done a video with Halara before. I did a little haul with them a few months ago during summertime and they sent me some free stuff. And they never told me that they were sending me another package. They just showed up in the mail, so I'm assuming it's just a PR package that they sent me, which is really, really cool. Thank you guys so much. And they didn't say anything about making a video. I just figured I would show you guys what they sent me. So first of all, when I opened it, I didn't even know who it was from. I was like, what is this? And I was like, oh, it's from Halara. So they sent me this really cute reusable bag that says letshalara, and there's some stuff inside. They sent me this gigantic bag, which I haven't opened yet, and it looks like it's a pink duffel bag, which is really cool because my other duffel bag, which is an Adidas duffel bag, I like it, but I get sick of using black all the time. That is what it looks like. It has a zipper pocket on the end here, pocket there, and on the other side it has a little pocket type of thing, and then, oh my gosh, there's like zippers everywhere. Oh, there's a front zipper here, there's a pocket there, and then obviously there's a little Velcro strap. Need to open this. And if you guys don't already know, I do have a discount code with them, which I will have here up on the screen if you want to get some money off your order, and I will also have my discount code linked in the description box if you just want to, you know, get a little bit of money off. Zipper pocket for the main large pocket is right in the middle on top, and inside we have some stretchy pockets on both sides. Wow, this is like way more pockets than my other duffel bag. It has a strap if you want to have like a longer shoulder strap to attach, which is nice. So yeah, it has 4 of those stretchy pockets on the inside. So this is a really nice duffel bag. This is really handy, and I just like the fact that it says Halara on the front in big words, and it has, let's see, how many pockets does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets, or 4 stretchy pockets on the main compartment. So that's a lot. That is a lot of, it feels like it has a lot of pockets when you hold it, and it's a nice size. So thank you, Halara. And the reusable bag, I'm just gonna dump out what's in here. I'm gonna throw this guy aside. It's a sweatband, so one of those bands that goes around your head for sweat. I never actually use these for like working out, but I will use this for putting makeup on to keep my hair out of the way. So that's really handy. It is a really, really nice material. It's very soft and it is tapered, which is nice. It's smaller in the back than it is on the top. So that is nice. It's super stretchy too. In this little baggie, we have some socks. Oh, they say Halara on them. How cute. I like these. I love Halara's socks. I have, I think, 4 pairs of their socks already. They're just really, really thick and stretchy and nice, and like just really, really good quality socks. And we have a piece of clothing, and these I haven't tried on yet. It's cool that they knew like what size I wore still, because they never asked me, besides in the first video I worked with them with, which I usually wear a size small in their stuff. Unless it's like a skirt, then I'll wear extra smalls usually, but they sent me these yoga pants and it says small, and they kind of remind me of Regina George because they're pink and they're like tapered at the ends. They're like wider at the bottom, and then they have a cute little crisscross design on the top and pockets on both sides. I'm gonna try them on really quick for you guys, so I'll be right back. They're super cute. They have the pockets on the sides and a nice crisscross front. They fit super well and they're really, really comfortable. And at the bottom they have these little slits on the sides, and they're wider at the bottom than they are the top. Sorry if it's hard to see, I just kind of threw them on really quick, but that is what they look like. So that is everything I got in this super random PR package from Halara. Thank you, Halara, if you see this, for sending me some free stuff. I really appreciate it. Again, I have a discount code with them up here on the screen if you want to type it in, or in the description box as well. And their website will be linked in the description box as well if you want to check them out. They have a ton of super nice clothes. Everything fits really true to size, and it's just super stretchy and comfortable. So definitely go check out their athleisure brand. It's awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. And also check out my Instagram if you want to see more content from me. I'll have my handle up here on the screen, or you can just click the link in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.